Because we wanted them to have cancer. Yeah.
This is so fun. She just rolls on him. The funny part is when Riley will start biting Nina's butt. Nina, okay, go.
Oh, there you go. He's got Tina.
Get it, Pinga. Pinga was playing. Come on, Pinga. Where's the cat? Come on, Pinga. The cat's just.
Pinga's awesome.
The cat's just watching. The cat's just watching them. They know they're entertaining us. Where is he? Where is it? Get it!
Get him, Pinga. Get him, Pinga. Get it, go get him, get him.
There's the cat. The cat's like, I want to get in on this. This looks good. The cat's all, what's up? What's up? There you go. See, he starts biting Nina's butt. It's so funny. Nina will sit on it and he'll just start biting her butt. Yeah. Here it comes, biting the butt. See, here it goes. I love it. They're so funny. Oh, I get you. It's like a wrestling match.
Get the cat.
Oh boy, here we go. Oh, here they go. Where'd the cat go? Go, Pinga! Pinga, come on! Come on, here comes Pinga. The Pinga's all, whatever. Yeah, there you go.
Oh no.